Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to stitch a video in TikTok like this. Stitch feature allows users the ability to clip and connect to a scene from another user's video into their own. So to begin with, let's open up your TikTok app. Navigate to a video where stitch is allowed. You can find this by tapping on the share icon at the bottom right of a video. If stitch is not allowed, the option will be grayed out like this. As a creator, you can decide if you want to allow stitch or not. Now when you find a video where you can stitch, the option will be available for you to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be brought into the editing screen of TikTok. You can select up to a maximum of 5 seconds of the original video to stitch to. You can also select a section of the video by moving the video left and right on the slider. Your video will start at the end of that video. Then press next at the top right. Now in the next screen, record your scene. You can customize the settings of the recording by using all these tools at the right hand side. Once you're done, press the tick and now it will show you the full stitched video. Add your effects, text, stickers, and then you're ready to post it to TikTok. In the post screen, you'll notice the hashtag, stitch, and then the creator's username. Add your caption and any hashtag that's related to your post, then post it on TikTok. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.